I am here. Look at Layla running. You running? You finished playing? Yeah. Okay, put your shoe on. Are you? You ready to go? Okay. Let's go get Leah. Look at you, Reek. Yeah. She had to go potty. She had to go potty. I don't want to see her in the potty. Look at you. Let her go potty. Okay, let her go. Come here, you have grass right here. You have grass. Let her go to the bathroom. Layla, Tariq.
She been a big girl like you, Layla? She been a big girl like you? She go potty like you? Y'all both have on yellow shirts today. Y'all forgot y'all clothes?
Yes. Because we're twins. You really been twins? Yellow shirt twins. Yay. Yay. You wash hands? All right. You ready to go? What do you say? What do you say? Let me check your hands out. They feel cold. Did you wash them?
Cold.
Cold, did you wash them? You sure?
Okay.
What are you supposed to say?
Bye-bye.
Go say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Go say bye-bye.
No.
You don't want to say bye-bye? Thank you. An airplane, I see it. That's your airplane? She may not have any for your class. Yeah. This is the Green Gators. Where are you going, Leah? I'm going to get a snack. All right. You got your snack? No more? Okay, well, no more. It has a little crack. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
It's okay. It has a little tiny crack. You'll be able to eat it. It looks like you... Oh, your jacket. Where's your jacket? Let's go get your jacket, Layla. We remembered. Come on. I'm glad you remembered. Is it in your classroom today? Let's go get it. We have to get jackets.
Right here.
You know how to open it? Yeah. Look at Leah walking. Leah, you want to see yourself? You don't throw it on the floor. Okay, let's go to your class. Get your jacket. Yeah. Okay, go down. Come on. Okay. Trash. Thank you. Pick it up. Give it to me. Never mind. I'll get it. Okay, come on.
Mama, brain.
Layla.
My brain is
All right, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go get your jacket. You were sweeping with the broom right here? I saw you sweeping the ground with the broom. You were cleaning up? Okay. The playground was a mess? Oh, well, thank you for cleaning up. I think your teacher, Mr. Stephen, will appreciate that. Layla, slow down. Yellow jacket.
Mama's saving for you.
Yes. Okay. Come on. Come on. Don't shut you. Okay, let's go get your, Layla, go get your jacket. No, go get your jacket. Okay, get your jacket, Layla. Oh, we'll turn it off. Just a second. Got your jacket? Cool. Let's see. Where is your... There's your robot that you made. I can hold your jacket. All right, let's go. You have a picture too? Okay, get your picture. Get your picture. You have one? All right. Yeah, see?
I got another picture.
You have another picture? In your cubby?
Can you hold this?
Okay. Lily does have
And I got another picture.
papers in there.
I don't.
You don't? You have a note and some mail inside your cubby. Puppet show? Bye-bye. Leave your bag here.
No, don't leave it here.
Well, you don't need it right now.
Yeah, we do.
Let's see. Are those your socks down there? I see the picture. No, on the floor over there. Over there. Whose socks? Pick them up so we can put them back by the cubbies. There's Layla. Are those yours? No. Okay, it's okay. Come on, let's get moving. Well, we don't need to go to that class. We can go right here.
No, I go to that class.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at Madeline. I didn't know you had that book in your class. Yep. Just like our movie, Madeline. All right. Yeah, that's like the movie we have. Interesting. They shop at the thrift store that I shop at. That's the price tag.
Mommy.
In addition to Lakeshore.
Mommy.
Thank you. Hold your jacket up. Get ready. Turn this off. See, we didn't need to go through the owl class. We can go just this way. Ooh, say bye-bye again. Bye.
So you don't have to be the gate holder.
It's not locked.
Yes, it is.
We have to open it.
Don't tell me.
We won't shut you. All right. Go through the gate. Go through the gate. Well, it has to be locked to keep everybody safe. This way. We have to keep everyone safe. So we have to lock it. Come on. Stop hanging on the window. All right, let's go. Kind of quiet today, not that much commentary. Go.
Yeah, I think so because Thursday is when there's no happening. Thursday the 6th. Okay. And then the Friday.
All right. Ready?
All next week.
Yeah.
Calm down.
What's under our car?
Stand up.
What's under our car, Mom?
The ground.
What
What do you mean, what's under it?
Mommy, how about we get something back?
Dirty, yucky. See if I can see the sign through the trees. Way over there. I did sign you when I first came. It says St. James. I did. All right. Get in. Layla, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. I'm coming. Layla, sit down. Come on, Leah. Let's go. Around the car. Hold on. Let's see. There we go. Zoom it. I see you. All right. You want to cut it off? Here, let's put this right here. Hold on so I can get you in your seat. Out. What do you want me to do? I'll give it back in just a second. I need to get you in your seat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Ugh. Careful. All right. You say hi? No? You want to turn it off? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I want to touch the light.
What are you doing with that in your mouth?
I want to touch the light.
That's not the light. Oh, you want to touch the light. Say see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Mom, the light burns.
The light burned you? I hardly think so.
Oh,
See you tomorrow. Say see you tomorrow. Say peace.
Peace.
Tariq. 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 Look. 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 Tariq. Say peace, YouTube. We out.
Yeah.